You can display and summarize reports in a variety of ways when you filter data in a pivot table with a slicer. Select any cell, then go to Pivot Table Analyze, Insert Slicer. Choose the fields you want to create slicers for, then select OK. Now arrange and size the slicers as you see fit. Then select the items you want to show in the pivot table. Choose the Multi-Select button every time you want to display more items. To show all the data again, select the Clear Filter button at the top right of the slicer. You can also filter data manually. Select the column header arrow and uncheck Select All. Choose the items you want to show and select OK.